Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. This is the new Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, and as you might expect, it's not so different from the Galaxy A52 5G, which came out earlier this year. So what makes this one unique? Let's go over its key features and find out. When you look at the Galaxy A52s 5G, you might get a sense of deja vu. It looks identical to the previous model, the Galaxy A52 5G. It has the same weight and dimensions, and the plastic back panel again has a soft and grippy matte finish. You also get the IP67 rated dust and water resistance, which is a signature of the higher tier Samsung phones. In fact, in almost all respects, the A52s 5G is the same device as the A52 5G. Even the price is similar. The big difference here is in the chipset. The A52s 5G has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, which is a new high-performance mid-range chipset built on a 6nm process. It's a step up from the Snapdragon 750G inside the Galaxy A52 5G. That one provided good performance, but nothing chart-topping. So here you get a nice upgrade. And while the A52s 5G isn't quite on the level of the flagships with 800 series silicon, heavy games should run just fine. The rest of the package is pretty much a direct copy of the Galaxy A52 5G. There's a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 1080p resolution, a super fast 120Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And for audio, there's a headphone jack and a pair of stereo speakers. Of course, the user interface is Samsung's latest One UI, which is feature-packed and comes with the promise of plenty of software support down the road. The A52s 5G has a 4500 mAh battery and support for 25-watt charging, though you only get a 15-watt adapter in the box. And finally, the 4 cameras on the back are quite familiar. There's a 64-megapixel quad Bayer main cam, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 5-megapixel macro cam, and a depth sensor. So there you have it guys. If you weren't sure about getting an A52 or an A52 5G because you needed more power under the hood, the new S model might be just what the doctor ordered. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full review.